Hey guys, this is an example of what your presentation could look like. This is a general rough draft. It has all of the pieces necessary. But again, as I noted on the website, please feel free to go above and beyond in terms of creativity. Okay. So first thing, I discussed where I am going. So where to? So for my vacation, I've decided to travel to Frankfurt, Germany. I will be flying out of BWI on December 1st and returning on December 8th. So in total, I'll be there a week or about 6 nights. So in total, the round trip flight will cost me $793. So to get that, I looked at the website and actually looked up those dates, which you did last week. What I included here was just a picture, just to exactly show how much it did cost. Next, I said, where will I stay? For my trip, I realized that I was going to be there a while, so I wanted to stay in a little bit of a nicer place. So this is a nice suite. It was actually like 700 square feet. It was a really big, beautiful place. But for my trip, I decided that I'm going to be staying 6 nights at the Lidner Hotel and Residence Main Plaza, and each night is going to cost $271 for a total of $1,626. So definitely a big chunk of my budget. Activity one, I figure if I'm going to be in Germany for the winter, I have to go skiing. So for my first activity, I'm going to be skiing. Europe is known for some incredible skiing, so I figure why not hit the slopes for a couple of days while I'm out there. I'm going to be purchasing the 2-day ticket twin pass. So in total, this will cost me $95. Okay, so very cheap over there as opposed to here where it's definitely more expensive. Second activity I'm going to be doing is some sightseeing. I am going to be traveling to the Black Forest and see the Neuschwanstein Castle. This is a really beautiful piece of architecture. I lived there when I was little and I saw it, but I was too young to really appreciate it. So this is something I've always wanted to go back and see now that I'm older and I can appreciate these types of things. And again, like much of Europe, Germany is well known for having some phenomenal castles. So I figured why not see some of the incredible architecture. And this actually is only going to cost me $13 for a ticket. So I'll be seeing that, and then while I'm in the Black Forest, I'll be looking around as well. I figure in the winter it'll look pretty unreal. Next, for the extra spending, based on the direction sheet, we're assuming that I will spend $50 per day on food and $75 per day on miscellaneous items. If I'm staying for 6 days, then that means I'm going to spend $300 on food and $450 on miscellaneous spending. So in total, this comes out to $750 in extra spending. Again, if I was actually on the trip, it might be more, might be less, but this is a good rough estimate. And then last, I have my total spending. So my flight, I spent $793. My hotel was $1,626. Activity one was $95. Activity two was $13. Extra spending was $750 for a total amount of $3,277 spent on this trip, well below the budget of $5,000. Okay, so this is generally what your presentation should look like. Again, please add more. Please be a little bit more creative, maybe more than just a blue background. Okay, but this is a great template for you guys to look at. Okay, so I hope you guys found this helpful.